Top 5 Best Binoculars. The 5 best binoculars in present time. We are going to check out 5 best binoculars quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I try to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Binoculars for Adults and Kids, 10x25 Compact Binoculars for Bird Watching, Theater and Concerts, price, $20.84. Get fast, free shipping. Brand Hauntry, color black, material rubber, water resistance level waterproof, eye relief 10mm, 10 magnification with 25mm objective lens, provides high definition without a color changed or blurred image. The 10 magnification boasts a viewing field of 362 feet at 1000 IDs. Number 2, Ocher 12x25 Compact Binoculars with clear low light vision, large eyepiece waterproof binocular for adults kids, price, $35.99 and free returns. Brand Ocher, color black, material plastic, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, rubber, water resistance level waterproof, eye relief 20mm. Adjustable eye cups fit eyeglass wearers or not. The binocs can be pulled down the rubber eyepieces and more fit the glasses wearer, getting close to lens and see easily. Number 3, -12x42 HD Binoculars for Adults with upgraded phone adapter, tripod and tripod adapter, large view binoculars, price, $44.86 and free returns. Model name Binoculars Adorgon, brand Adorgon, color black, material rubber, water resistance level waterproof. Clear low light vision. Advanced fully multi-coated binoculars with large 16.5mm BAK4 prism lens. Binoculars deliver brighter vision in weak light condition, for example twilight. Perfect for hunting or concerts at night. Number 4, -12x42 high-definition binoculars for adults with universal phone adapter, super bright binoculars, price, $68.86 and free returns. Model name Aday Binoculars 0011, brand Adasian, color black, material acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, water resistance level waterproof. Powerful 12x42 binoculars for adults with only 1.25 pounds. With only 560 grams weight, Adasian 12x42mm binoculars deliver 367 feet/1000 IDs large field of view. Perfect binoculars for bird watching, hunting, sports events. Number 5, Vortex Optics Crossfire HD Binoculars, price, $179.00 and free returns. Model name CF4314, brand Vortex, color green, material aluminum, water resistance level waterproof, 12x magnification and 50mm objective lenses. These Crossfire HD binos are optimized with select glass elements to deliver exceptional resolution, cut chromatic aberration. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.